Hey guys! Today I'm going to tell you about the Turkish hotel, Side Royal Style. We've analyzed thousands of reviews from tourists about this hotel, so we definitely have something to share with you. Let's get started. As usual, let's begin with some general information about the hotel. Side Royal Style is a modern 5-star resort located in the Side area, near the scenic coastline. The hotel offers luxurious rooms, elegantly designed with balconies and all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. Guests can enjoy a private beach, which is just a short walk from the hotel. There are several restaurants on the premises, offering a variety of international and Turkish cuisine. For families with children, there are animation programs and a mini club. The hotel also has both outdoor and indoor pools, a spa center, and a fitness room. In the evenings, entertainment shows and live music are offered to guests. Side Royal Style Hotel is close to Side's main attractions, including the ancient theater and the Temple of Apollo. Its convenient location makes it a great choice for both a relaxing getaway and active travelers. The hotel is known for its high level of service and attention to detail. The hotel's rating is 4.6 on Google, 8.7 on Booking.com, and 4.5 on TripAdvisor. You can check the prices and book a room at this hotel via the links in the description or in the pinned comment under this video. Friends, right now I will tell you all the pros and cons of this hotel. But before we start, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with a like. Thank you. The beach is only a few minutes walk from the hotel. But if you don't feel like walking, there's a shuttle bus that can take you to the beach. The bus runs every half an hour. In my opinion, the beach isn't particularly beautiful, but it is convenient. There are plenty of sun lounges, so you don't have to rush to reserve a spot early in the morning. The beach is equipped with everything needed for a comfortable stay, including sunshades and a beach bar. The entrance to the sea is gradual and sandy. However, if you prefer crystal clear water, you might not like this beach, as the water tends to become murky due to the sand, making swimming less enjoyable. The beach cafe isn't very popular with tourists, as the dishes are often dirty. Fruits only appear strictly at lunchtime, so there are none available before that. Another downside is that the drinks at the bar are served in warm and wet glasses. On the bright side, at least you know they've been washed. I also want to mention the cleanliness of the beach. Compared to other hotels, Side Royal Style's beach isn't very clean. Therefore, I can't give the hotel a high rating for the beach. Side Royal Style Hotel has a small territory, but despite that, the hotel features 2 pools, an amphitheater, and a spa center. If you're used to walking around the hotel grounds, this might not be the place for you. The pool area is quite small, and there are few sun lounges, with all spots taken early in the morning. I think this is a major drawback for a 5-star hotel. Additionally, I'd like to mention the spa center. Guests are not very happy with it due to the unwelcoming and rude staff, and the facility itself could use some renovation. Personally, I wouldn't recommend spending money on visiting the spa. Most of the hotel's guests are from Germany, so the staff speaks German quite well, but their English is poor, which could be a significant issue for tourists from other countries. Another downside is the walk to the beach, as the path isn't pleasant, going alongside a road with traffic. Although, you can also take the shuttle bus. The food at Side Royal Style isn't very gourmet, but it is tasty. The main dishes in the main restaurant are excellent, but guests didn't like the quality of the fruit. The only good fruits were watermelon and grapes, everything else was unripe and tasteless. Guests also didn't like the fact that there were no seafood or sushi options at the buffet. Occasionally, the main restaurant hosts themed dinners, such as an Asian night, Turkish night, or seafood night, which is a nice touch. However, a drawback is that there aren't enough waiters in the main restaurant, so they can't serve all the tables in time. There are also 2 a la carte restaurants, a Chinese restaurant and a Mediterranean one. Personally, I really enjoyed the Mediterranean restaurant. Just make sure to book your visit to the a la carte restaurants in advance because they get busy, and there may not be enough tables for everyone. The rooms at Side Royal Style are spacious, comfortable, bright, and cozy. Guests appreciate the ample storage space. The rooms have clean curtains, large mirrors, and closed closets. However, there are some drawbacks, such as poor soundproofing, sometimes missing toiletries, and no bathrobes, though at least there are slippers. Some guests complained about the smell of sewage in the bathrooms. There's no iron in the room, so you have to use the ironing service, which is quite expensive. The beds are soft, but the pillows are very hard, making it difficult to sleep. On the plus side, the rooms have good air conditioning and minibars. Housekeeping is done daily, though I wouldn't call it thorough. The staff at Side Royal Style Hotel is generally professional and attentive to guests' needs. The reception staff is friendly and always ready to help with any questions, including arranging excursions or transfers. However, the hotel staff mainly speaks German and Russian, which makes communication difficult for guests from other countries. The cleaning staff does a good job maintaining cleanliness in the rooms and public areas, always trying to make guests stay as comfortable as possible. The waiters in the restaurants are polite and quick, efficiently serving tables and offering menu recommendations. The hotel's animators actively engage guests in entertainment activities, creating a pleasant atmosphere for both adults and children. However, the spa staff is not very friendly and can even be rude. In general, while most of the staff interacts with guests politely, there have been reports of some staff members being sarcastic and even overly familiar. The hotel has a small group of animators who work daily. They are active but not intrusive. Various games, sports, and entertainment activities are organized, as well as kids' activities. In the evenings, the animators put on shows in the amphitheater, such as Latin American dance performances and circus acts. When there's no show, there are dance evenings on the terrace with live music. However, during my stay, the hotel was mostly filled with older guests and families with children, making it less appealing to young couples or groups. Despite the guest demographic, the animators did a great job, organizing activities suitable for all age groups. Children can have fun at the mini club, where games, contests, and creative activities are organized. The hotel also offers water slides and a kids' pool, making it an attractive option for families. The animators arrange various activities for the little ones, and the restaurant has a children's menu with a variety of dishes. Parents can feel secure as the entire area is carefully monitored, making this hotel ideal for family vacations with children. So, let's sum it up. Side Royal Style Hotel in Turkey, though a 5-star establishment, doesn't fully meet that standard. We've discovered that the hotel's territory is small, the beach is average, and the food is good but not outstanding. The rooms need some improvements, and the staff isn't always as friendly and hospitable as you might expect. Overall, I can't recommend this hotel, and I think the management of Side Royal Style should work on the issues I've mentioned. But friends, the final choice is always yours, and only you can decide if this hotel is right for your vacation. While you're thinking it over, I recommend checking out our other videos on the best Turkish hotels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next reviews. That's it from me for now. See you at the next hotel.